Hi everybody, it's Rog here. Welcome back to my channel. Well, today I'd like to introduce you to two of my best friends. Ta-da! Two pumpkins. I'm very proud of these. They're not very big, but I'm proud of them because I grew them in my garden. And today I'm going to use half of one of these to make some pumpkin soup. So we need half of this pumpkin, and we need some really good quality vegetable stock. We need a chopped up onion, here it is, and we need 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of thyme, and 2 garlic cloves, but I've only got one because it's a very large one. There's a potato, there's an onion, and to garnish we need some chopped up chives and some sage leaves, which I'm going to deep fry. First I wash the pumpkin. I don't know what's been creeping over it in my garden, and pat it dry. Seems a shame to cut it, doesn't it, when it looks so good, but it's got to be done. I'll make a start by cutting it into half, then half again, more manageable sizes if you like. We're going to scrape out all of these seeds, and do you know what, I think I'll save some of these seeds and grow them again next year. We can take the skin off very carefully, don't want to lose too much of the flesh, and then we can start cutting into slices and then cutting it into these smaller cubes. Like this. Now into a pan on the hob we put a little bit of cooking oil, followed by the onion. We'll pop the onion in. Now we want to cook this for about 2 to 3 minutes, just to get it a little bit soft and a little bit translucent. Give this a stir, and then we can go in with the garlic. In that goes. And in with the cumin seeds. And again, give this a stir, and just give it a couple of minutes. Then we can go in with the potatoes that have been peeled and chopped and rinsed. And of course, our delicious cubed pumpkin. Pop it in. Pop in the pumpkin. Give this yet another stir. Then in with the thyme. And yet another stir. Then in we go with our vegetable stock. I've used about 1 pint of stock for this amount of pumpkin. On with the lid, and we're going to leave this to simmer for about 30 to 40 minutes. Then, using the stick blender, I'm going to whiz up this pumpkin to make a really thick and delicious creamy soup. Now, doesn't that look wonderful? So now it's at this point we need to season this soup to taste. Everybody's different, me especially. I do like mine a little bit on the salty side. So we're going to add some pepper and salt. And now it's time to plate up. Pop it into our bowl for serving. Add some cream, or you may add creme fraiche if you wish. And some fresh chives, then again from my garden, and some deep fried sage leaves, then again from my garden. There we go, make a special job of that. Now just a few shots to show you how delicious this looks, and then it's time for a taste test. Well guys, I'm telling you, that really is such a tasty pumpkin soup. Please try this recipe for yourself. All you need is a pumpkin. Don't forget the other things such as like, subscribe and share. And yeah, I'll see you again next time. Hope you enjoyed the video. Bye. Now if you enjoyed this video, and I do hope that you did, please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of the other videos that I'm going to make or that I've made in the past. So don't forget to check them all out.